Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you've all been doing great and hope you've been staying safe. Today we're going to be doing a very nice manipulation, and so please pay attention as we run through this class. Okay, so I have my images here. This is one of the backgrounds I'll be using, and this. So let's start by creating our background image. So this is a Milky Way, and then I have this mountain. So I'm not really using everything here, I just need the mountain. So I just highlight everything, then Ctrl J, and I can delete the one beneath. Same thing with this one, highlight, then Ctrl J, delete the one beneath. So next thing I'm going to do is click on my quick selection to increase size, and then just alternate, just select, and then hold alternate and click on my layer marks. So I've marked that place out. So this is looking great. I know I'll look at my nothing like my. So next thing I'm going to do is to go to my stamp tool. Now I'll get stamp on this place. One part. Select my layer. Click, stamp, click, stamp. So increase the size to make it faster. Click, stamp. Click, stamp. Click, stamp. Click and stamp. Yes, part is fine. To back to space. Click, stamp. And click, stamp. Click, stamp. Yeah. So all sides are cool now. So this is a very nice and easy manipulation. It shouldn't take you long. So I'm going to import my subject image. This is a guy I have here. So just put him in. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be smaller than this. So if we just assume our aspect ratio, size, yeah, let's say this is okay, so this is fine. And now I'm going to zoom in, click on my brush to create the marks layer, and then I just create my opacity, paint around these parts. Paint. Yeah, this is very fine. So next thing I'm going to do now is to create a layer above, directly above my subject layer, a level layer. Clip it and then just make him a little bit darker, and then add this a little bit darker. That's my value. So a little bit. So next time what you do now is to create a layer, another layer, and move it above here, and I use my brush to just select this color here, increase my brush size, and I just paint. Yeah, don't paint is like So trust me, things are holding up. Yeah, very nice. So this is my man. So next thing I'm going to do now is to group this together, and I'll call it my subject with one C. So I'm going to move to adding my object now. So this is my object here. I just drag into Photoshop. Put here. Size is very big, so I reduce my size. Reduce. So let's cut out the background before we do it. Please leave it on discontinuous, and then you can just select one part here, a light part here, and then just cut parts. Yeah, that's fine. So I just make this thing. Ctrl T. Let's say a little bit bigger. So he is a mountain climber, just so you know. Yeah, this is perfect. So now I'm just going to zoom in, create a mask for this layer, come here and then select this part, put Ctrl and select this layer here, and then go back to your layer mark and click the brush, make it on black and 100% opacity. So you just mark this part out. So reduce the size and click on X. X switches the layer color from background to foreground. So you just bring this one, restore this part here. So see, it's going through his arm. So it's kind of like going through his arm. You get. So that's fine. So let's just assume he's using just one of that. Cool, right? Yeah. Cool. So I go back to this my mountain layer here, and then go to my brush, increase my brush size, make sure it's on black. So I just switch to X, reduce the opacity to like, let's say 30 something. So just paint over here. Oops. So we're just kind of like doing the needful. So this one behind here keeps showing, so we need to just stamp that part out well. Stamp it out totally. This is fine, man. Okay, I think I prefer the bright way it was. Yes, I prefer this. It's this way. So I think I'm going to stamp with a little scale. Yeah, so I'm just going to stamp it with a small scale. That's precise. Yeah, so just reduce this. Hold alternate. Click and then just click. Yeah. So this is fine. Yes, fine. It's better this way. And then we'll move to the next part. So I'm going to import my next subject here. Subject to second mountain climber. Oh, sorry. So I just import this here. Yes. Ctrl T. Flip horizontal. Reduce scale. So check out the aspect ratio. Should be a little bit smaller than this one. Yeah. So I'm putting in here. So looks like it's climbing onto the mountain, say mountain, but this man got there before him. You get just mountain climbing stuff. So I zoom into this part now. Go back to this place, create a level layer, clip it, and then just do this. Yeah. Create a layer. Go to my brush. So I'm gonna start with hold up. I need to copy this color here. Reduce my brush size. Reduce the opacity to like 10 thereabout. Okay, that's fine. So I just paint over this part to make it outside darker. Paint on this side. It needs to so now let's select from the light side. Just yeah, so that's fine. Very fine. So I save this, I just group it so that's subject 2 or subject 1 because the other one being half a number. So this is fine now. So next thing there to do is to import my moon. Moon. So move above the layer and then change the blend mode to screen. Screen is fine, so let's create a layer, level layer for it. Clip it. Yes. Okay, let's take that from screen since I need to adjust the layer. So I can raise out to change this to fine edges, increase the size. Yes, cut out. Okay. So double click on your layer and then let's add material glue to it. Spice it up. Normal. And then outer glue. It's plain white. Normal heavy screen. Okay, so this is perfect and I love it as it is. Let's save this as moon. So I just saved that as a moon. So now I just click on everything, highlight everything, then Ctrl J, right click, merge layer, and then we're gonna use the filter called Camera Raw. Filter, Camera Raw. So I just add a little tint of blue because sky is purple, and then I increase the vibrance. Contrast to increase the highlight, reduce the shadow, choose white, and then these. Okay, so check out the differences. Very nice, like this. So you can just add your signature font on it if you want. So I'm just gonna put mine. Says Art by Tyler. I'm using Montserrat's font, semi bold, centralized to the center. And then space. So that's all for this class. I hope this was really helpful. Thank you all for watching. Do not forget to hit my subscribe button, and trust me, you're gonna get more videos. I love you all. Thank you. And also stay safe. Yeah. Bye.